Welcome to Module 3 of the EntraEdu Open online course. In this lesson, we will explore the basic financial terms and concepts that every aspiring entrepreneur should know, especially if you're managing your own money or thinking of starting a business. Let's start with the basics. Financial literacy means understanding how money works. It's about knowing how to earn money, how to spend it wisely, how to save, and even how to invest. Financial literacy helps you make informed decisions, whether for your personal life or for a social enterprise. It's the foundation of good planning and financial independence. In the EntraComp framework, financial and economic literacy is part of the resources area. This is where entrepreneurs learn to manage money, understand financial documents, and make informed decisions. Being financially literate helps you evaluate what's possible with your resources, plan strategically, and sustain your business over time. It's one of the core competencies needed to turn ideas into action. Now, let's learn some basic financial terms. First, we have income. That's the money you receive, maybe from a job, a side activity, or a small business. Then there's revenue, which is the total amount of money your business brings in before you subtract any costs. Next, we have expenses. These are the things you spend money on, like rent, materials, transport, or bills. When you subtract your expenses from your revenue, what's left is your profit. That's your earnings. But if your expenses are higher than your revenue, meaning you're spending more than you're earning, then you have what we call a loss. Understanding these terms is the first step in keeping control of your finances and making smart decisions. To really stay on top of your finances, whether personal or business, there are 3 important documents you should know about. The first one is the income statement. This shows you whether you're making a profit or running at a loss over a certain period, like a month or a year. It's like a snapshot of how well you're doing. Then there's the balance sheet. This tells you what you own, your assets, and what you owe, your debts or liabilities. It gives you a clear picture of your financial position at a specific moment. Finally, the cash flow statement helps you track how money comes in and goes out of your business or household. It helps you avoid surprises, like running out of cash when you need to pay bills. These 3 tools work together to help you understand your financial situation, make better choices, and plan for the future. So, why is financial literacy so important? When you understand how money works, you're able to make smarter choices, both in your personal life and in business. You can avoid things like high-risk loans or deals that aren't in your best interest. It also helps you use your resources more effectively. Instead of spending without thinking, you can plan ahead, save for your goals, and invest in what really matters. For people who have moved to a new country, financial literacy can be even more valuable. It helps you navigate unfamiliar systems, avoid misunderstandings, and build a more secure future. Even something as simple as knowing the difference between revenue and profit can make a big difference. Without that knowledge, you might think your business is doing well, when in fact, you could be losing money. That's why building these skills is a key step toward independence and success. Let's explore a Real initiative in Italy, Welcome Ed, a financial education project launched in Turin through a collaboration between the municipality of Turin and the Museum of Savings, Museo della Cassa di Risparmio di Torino. Welcome Ed offers tailored workshops on financial literacy for newly arrived migrants. Through interactive sessions, multilingual and co-designed with local NGOs and adult education centers, participants learn how to manage personal finances, track income and expenses, read simple financial documents, and prepare a basic budget. Evaluations show that this interinstitutional approach not only improves migrants' confidence in handling money, but also their ability to access financial services safely, reducing risks related to misunderstanding fees, contracts, or high-cost loans. Thanks to these skills, many participants report feeling more secure during their integration process and better prepared to start small entrepreneurial activities, transforming financial literacy into a stepping stone for economic and social inclusion. To summarize, financial and economic literacy is more than just knowing about money. It's about using that knowledge to make smart, responsible decisions. It plays a key role in helping you turn your ideas into reality and manage what you need to make them happen. For migrants and social entrepreneurs, this knowledge is especially powerful. It allows you to navigate new systems, avoid financial risks, and take control of your future. So, whether you're managing your personal finances or starting a small business, being financially literate gives you the confidence and tools to move forward with clarity and purpose. Thank you for watching this introductory video about financial literacy in entrepreneurship. Before moving on, please complete the following 5 questions to test your understanding of the concepts we've covered. See you in the next lesson.